mid-corner stability is definitely within the target range. Let's see how it handles the chicanes.
The scan is complete and the alignment is perfect.
Every seat begins with a flawless, custom-molded core. Premium leather is cut and stitched with absolute precision. Experience ultimate comfort and style. Precision automation meets next-generation design, intelligently integrating the future of mobility. This is where technology becomes driving perfection.
Station 12, batch 45 is looking perfect. Green light on all systems here.
Extreme precision guides every cut, carving complex channels with digital perfection.
Align the splines carefully. Check the torque on that plate. Aligning the laser to the primary joint now.
The variance on this bead is minimal.
Looks good, green across the board.
This massive furnace runs on pure energy, reaching temperatures over 3,000 degrees.
Frame is cracked right here.
Got it. Logging the structural damage now. Let's check the next one.
At this specialized facility, heavy machinery makes quick work of end-of-life vehicles. Powerful hydraulic shears cut directly through the hard-cured, recyclable scrap metal.
Does this starter go in the green bin?
Yes, that's right.